exploring.
Hey, this is a new road for us today. After rendezvous, we just kept going. It's a little bit of a jungle, as you can see. Whoa!
Bit of a jungle.
Bit of a jungle. Chippy? Are you okay? What are you doing?
There's a lot of gardening out here in the forest. Just a little bit of gardening, a little tidy up.
Lots of trees in the middle of the
I
hallway.
mean, I've probably got another 2, 4, 5, 8, 50, 100. A lot of years left going, really. But I'll get this place looking really good. Yeah.
Better.
The adventure continues.
Yeah.
One of the tracks turned into a walkway.
And yeah,
This one looks
not
like not many people have come down it.
I don't know if we can hear us. See? That's nice.
We're getting closer to the beach though, it's turned to sand, so we're getting there.
What is this?
What's this? We're turning.
Well,
Oh,
definitely
no, that's
not.
just a turn around.
So it's definitely that way.
It's gotta be, right? It's not that way, that is. Oh, that's the saltwater pool they're talking about. Hey, look, a weird little black bird.
Yeah. Was it black? I think it was blue.
Is it? Yeah. It smells. Anyway, I know that much. Oh, Crab Hole City up in there.
Oh no. Yeah, it smells like dead egg.
We're scooching all the way along Rendezvous because we were too lazy to walk.
No, that's not true.
That's
we
not-
went
that's
to
not
try and not to the next base. But boy. What's it? It's in your face. I closed mine.
We're sketching through. We're pushing through. Here's all the trash. We know it's here. Oh, look at that big black thing. Oh, well, we made it.
Well, I guess.
We made it. There's the beach. How much closer can you get?
Well, I guess. We go swimming here?
Yeah.
I'm hot.
I'm hot. I'm parked up over here or something.
Can take some trash on.
Hey, Chips. You dancing? You dancing? Is that because you're happy?
Look at this.
Look at this awesome hat. It looks so nice,
That's
Chippy.
the color I've always wanted.
That's the colour. And it says something about beach shack on it.
And there is another tweet which the usually what there is on the hat.
Super good. Everything happens for a reason. Everything happens for a reason. Now we're just going over these rocks. Have a look, see? And yeah, some big waves today at Rendezvous. So we're over to this little bay here. A tiny bit. Oh, Chips has found another nice bit of plastic. Bag's filling up nicely. And yeah, as you can see, there's lots of stuff entangled.
Nice piece of wood that you can...
Lots of wood, but lots of plastic too. Lots of plastic bottles. Plastic. Foam, this stuff is so bad because fish just eat it. Thinking it's just nice algae for them to munch on. It's not. Anyway, yeah, continue. And we got here a little treasure. Oh, a little one pair of sunnies. How are these looking? They open. Oh, they're nice. If you got one eye, these are perfect. Found this little plastic thing.
Yeah, who knows?
It looks like a message or something. It's got a safe lid. But it's glued or something in there. I don't know. Maybe we need to get that wire.
Yeah, this goes down though.
Yeah.
It's this bit you have to
We need
lift
to pull it. Intriguing. Definitely interesting.
Yeah. Oh. Oh my gosh.
There was definitely something in here, but it's gone now.
It's not nothing.
Nothing in there.
What was it?
I don't know, someone's made it, sure. It's a bit of pipe. There's probably money in it. Hey, Chippy! Got a bag of trash here. Loaded up. She got some trash. We're getting out of here before the waves come in a bit further. And I think they're gonna let me pass. Right? I don't like wet feet. Woo! Very spiky, yeah. These are flippers still. I got shoes still. Whoa! Hey, buddies. Hey. So, onwards we go. Got some sort of trail. We got shoes on now. And we're going into the woods. We got everything we need, I think. Bag.
Have you ever been here?
No, I've never been this far.
Wow.
This is all new for me. We're out in the wilderness.
Yeah, we don't know where it's going to take.
No. Well, we heard of this other bay around the bit that has lots of trash and lots of stuff on it. So hopefully, yeah, it's this way. So hopefully we'll find something interesting. Okay. Ciao. Chips is our guide. Like all those Asian tourists you see in the So nice. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Keeping up. I'm coming. Ooh, in the forest. This is epic.
I still have hiccups.
She still has hiccups 2 hours later. No, like 10 minutes.
But anyway,
Yeah,
we went,
still on the trail.
Lovely view. Amazing.
Yeah. Now we're in the vines, and it sounds like we're getting close to the water again. So hopefully, hopefully we're getting close to the bay.
But we definitely recommend the shot. It's lovely.
Yeah, super nice.
Yeah.
What?
And he didn't say nothing to the guy, just spoke with there. So she went home crying and said to me as well. I said,
Look at
what
this!
do I do? Do I tell him or
Turtlenecks.
So she told him, of course, they had a big house. Because she said as a friend.
Wow, Chippy! This is beautiful!
This is beautiful. No one is here.
No one's here. We should definitely go for a dip at some point. Look at these turtle nests. Loads of fake turtles. Look at there.
Fishing net.
Fishing line,
Sorry.
plasticals, all sorts. But a lovely bay. There's a lot more to go of it as well.
No one is here.
No one is here.
So it's difficult to get here.
Yeah, yeah.
They're not there.
They're beautiful, but it's still plastic here. I'm just going for a nice swim here. Cool off. It's pretty warm. Just use my t-shirt to get rid of the sand.
Just one.
Yeah. Super nice. Paradise. Now we're going to head up over that little ridge to see what's over there. And then probably head back to the cut. Nice.
What chips?
Someone's been out and cut this down.
Yeah.
Keep a nice path for everyone. Very far away from stuff, I think. But
We found quite lots of rubbish.
yeah, quite a lot of rubbish. Nothing interesting so far. But yeah. Obviously people do come here.
Yeah. This is definitely quite a recent look. Chips, my hand.
We got it still. We got it.
I don't know. It's like being in a forest. Yeah. So what are we seeing, Chips?
Net. Cool.
Yeah, turquoise. Yeah, there was a lot of plastic on the way as well.
No, it wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
I don't know, 15 plastic bottles?
Yeah, but I mean now,
Oh yeah.
in the last like 10 minutes, and we were quite high, but there was no sign of plastic on the beach.
Yeah, that's quite good.
Yeah. flip-flops!
Yeah.
Yeah, so that basically that part was all cleaned, and then from here it all starts. What is that? Great.
Great, look at all that.
There is also
So much. So many flip-flops.
flip-flops everywhere.
So much plastic.
This
Look at now. Even tackles, I didn't have bags big enough.
plastic bottles. These they are everywhere. I don't know, we will look. We will look because they are everywhere. And yeah, let's see, look at that one, all yellow. A part of a pineapple. And all trash basically. All trash. Oh my gosh, look at the color of these.
Very cool. Good find.
Thank you. There is some beauty in this. Not a lot at the moment, but it's there.
Up here.
Anyway, plastic.
You were a turtle when you found this. Before.
Yeah. Where's the boat?
It's up here.
What are these plastic things? Yellow, massive yellow, they are everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, a boat. People, there is a bin if your shoes are not good anymore. There is a bin that you have at home. And it's not the ocean.
Crazy.
Plastic, of course, again. Yeah, this is a massive road.
Massive.
Yeah, we decided we were going to come back here near, well, with the car right there, and then come back here. This is just a lot. It's not much at all. There are no words really. No words. Added 4 of these flip-flops and I just found one more. What? There's definitely one of the cruise ships that's come here.
Gotta be, or yeah.
We are going to look what this is. And your company, wherever you are, tell your customers they don't have to throw them away. Also, I don't think it's that easy to clean the beach because it's not. And you have to walk on these rocks because especially here it's got all the plastic, isn't it?
Yeah, especially here.
Yeah. It's just crazy.
We're walking on sunshine. I love you. Nice hat.
Thank you. We're going swimming now.
We are.
Yeah.
Nice amount of trash.
Yeah, the way back was quite hard.
Yes, pretty.
Because that's heavy, there is lots of plastic and all sorts of rubbish.
Yeah, and a good bit of wood.
Yeah,
Huge bit of wood.
it helped us.
Yeah. We're using 2 Crocs as little protections for our shoulders. As you can see. We're equipped. Let's go.
We're here, chicks. We've done it.
We are here.
We have done it. Woohoo!
Let's go.
Let's drop it now, chips. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Chips, well done.